All right, Miss Smith is going to explain the running record.
Okay, now what I did here, what I do so I know exactly where it's at when I go back and analyze these, like I write the page number. And then, of course, the check mark is for every word that she gets right. Now, if you come down here, the word was evening. And what I do is I draw my T, and if they do not have it said by that time, it's 3 to 5 second time, then that's when I tell it to them. But here, before I got that finished, she said the correct word. And then when we come down here, if you look here, she said bath, and it was bathtub. So she left off the tub, which you can see, it would make sense. He was singing in the bath, or he was singing in the bathtub. If we come down here and look at page 3, right here where she said it, she went back and self-corrected, so that's why I have SC for self-correct. And again, the same thing here, and if you look at the structure of these, want and went look the same way. So she went back and self-corrected. And again, here was the self-correct, and this is what I was talking about when I was up here. I was drawing the line and she didn't have it by that time, so I told it to her. Now as you come down here on page 5, where she read, he wakes us up at night, I believe is where that was, she first said walks, then she stopped, and then she said welcomes. So I put both of them. Now you do kind of have to write it fast because she kept going and was pretty quick about it, but that is why I wrote both of those. And then right here she just repeated, and I have it over these 2 check marks because she said at night, and those were the 2 words that she repeated. And then as we come down here, she kind of started to get stuck on that, but by the time I got my lines made, she had it. And then back down here, if you look, TV and television, I mean, they are the same thing, but if you look at the picture, it is a TV, but the word is actually television. So it would make sense for it to be TV instead of television.
Thank you.
You're welcome.